Royal Caymanian dash cam videos.
No?
Good night, Frankson.
Good night.
Thank you.
Frankson, partially Frankson.
Frankson,
Partially Frankson, not all
yeah,
of it.
thanks. Thanks. Those are later, baby, later. May I go home? Yeah, love you. Yeah. My son, God good, you know.
Yeah?
When me I come up, I say, God prevail, alright, you know, please. All the time. Thank you very much, sir.
Nice seatbelt, please.
Seatbelt?
Yeah. It's the law.
Oh, I doing a lot?
Huh?
You doing a close?
Yeah, the door closed, yeah, but...
Oh, put on the
seat-
seatbelt.
Yeah.
You're so good to me, Lord. Smell chicken.
Yeah, me too. And I so bad one piece of chicken now. 9 months. Yesterday was 9 months I stopped eating meat, you know. Yeah, so I feel I need
Yeah.
this chicken. I love my chicken. You know.
Love chicken, fried chicken. No, you can't take time go slow. Right at the apartment, Emily.
Apartments
Right
there.
there, right here. Yeah, go down some more.
Oh, I didn't know the apartments here.
Yeah, go down some more. Here, son.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right to the apartment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Alright, no problem.
God
You
bless
said Frank
you.
Sound, so I was thinking
Yeah.
this is still Old Man Bay. Frank Sound is
Okay.
after across the corner.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Alright.
Yeah,
Take care.
thank you.
Alright.
Thanks for watching. Give a like, subscribe, follow on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Cheers. Be considerate, be aware, obey the rules of the road. Drive safely.